Overview of trading CELR USDT. Trading style, spot. Time frame, midterm. Margin mode, isolated. Signal type, swing trade. Target time frame, about a month between take profits. Entry point, 0.02660 to 0.02946. Take profit targets. Target 1, 0.03978. Target 2, 0.05059. Target 3, 0.05899. Target 4, 0.06955. Target 5, 0.07989. Stop loss. Stop level, 0.01700. Important. Remember to move your stop loss to your entry or previous take profit level after reaching any take profit. This helps protect your profits and limit losses if the market turns against you.